Ever had a paper to-do list that you lost or forgot about? Or maybe you want to learn programming but don't know what project to start with. Today, we're building a complete to-do list app using only Python and Tkinter. No extra packages to install. No complicated setup. Just 150 lines of clean working code. This is the perfect beginner project. You learn GUI programming, event handling, and clean code structure. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to upgrade it into a real app with data persistence. Hey, I'm Diaco from ProgrammingLearn. Here we learn Python through real projects. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Tkinter comes pre-installed with Python. You need Python 3.8 or above. Just create a file called todolist.py and let's get started. First step, import the modules. We need two things, Tkinter for the GUI and message box for pop-up warnings. We import Tkinter with alias tk to keep our code shorter. Message box handles our warning dialogues. Now let's look at the first function, add task. It does three things. First, reads the input field and strips white space. Second, checks if it's empty, shows a warning, and exits. Third, if everything is fine, inserts the task and clears the input field. Important note, a strip is crucial. If the user only types spaces, the program will think a task was entered. And message box.showWarning displays a small pop-up window. This gives you a more professional user experience. The complete task function. The user selects a task. This function removes it from active and moves it to completed. We use try except for safety. TCL error triggers when the user closes the window while no task is selected. Core selected returns a tuple. If it's empty, nothing was selected. And delete task is much simpler. It just removes the task from the list. No moving anywhere. A very simple but useful function, clear completed. Deletes all completed tasks at once. Delete 0,tk.end means delete from index 0 to the end. Clean and powerful. Now the fun part, building the user interface. First, we create the main window. Geometry sets the window size to 500 by 450 pixels. Background is a dark navy color. Dark themes always look more professional. Then we add the title label. FG sets the text color. And it's a clean white blue. Now the input frame and add button. Two important notes. Cursor equal hand to shows a hand cursor when hovering over the button. Better interactive feel. Command equal add task is passed without parentheses. If you add parentheses, the function runs immediately instead of on click. the bottom buttons. Each color has a meaning: green for add, blue for complete, red for delete, and purple for clear. We're creating two boxes, one for active tasks and one for completed tasks. Select background turns items green when selected. Active style shows a dotted border around the selected item. And the completed list box with gray text because completed tasks are inactive. FG is gray, meaning these tasks are no longer active. Select background is purple. Good visual distinction. Final piece, binding the Enter key to add task. Now the user can press Enter instead of clicking the Add button. Much better user experience. And the last line, main loop keeps the window open and waits for events. Without this line, the window opens and immediately closes. Watch it work. I type a task and press Enter. Added. I select it and click Complete. Move to Completed. I add another task and click Delete. Gone. The app we just built is the foundation. Now, how can you upgrade it? Here are some challenges for you. Save task to a file. Use pickle or JSON to persist your tasks so they don't disappear when you close the app. Dates and priorities. Add due date and priority level to each task. Edit tasks. Let users modify a task's text instead of deleting and re-adding. Categories. Create multiple lists like work, shopping, study. Drag and drop. Let users drag tasks between active and completed. Each of these teaches you a new skill. If you build one of these upgrades, share your code in comments or send it to our Telegram channel. I'll definitely check it out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow and means more project tutorials like this. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next project. I'm Diaco and this is ProgrammingLearn, learning Python through real projects. See you in the next video. Bye.